Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the full outer join and inner join. So how we can perform the full outer join? Again, we will go to data, get data, combine queries. But before doing the full outer join, for example, if I write a canor in capital letters, okay, and here we have a small case sensitive issue. For example, we can also check if we have a data, the rows are matching, but they are case sensitive. On the left table, the spelling is in capital letters, but on the right side, it is not at all in capital letters. So we will be applying the outer join, full outer join, and we will be seeing that if the case sensitive creates any issue or not. So let's go to the data, combine queries, and we will click on merge. And from now here, we will select table 1 and table 2. Then we will select the join kind, which is called the full outer join. Full outer means all rows from both the tables. And we will select the primary column, which is product ID, which is available in both the tables, and we will press OK. So now the interface will takes me to the Power Query window, and here we need to expand the data and then close in and load. So now I will expand the table to OK, and I will press close and load button. So now as you can see that the canor spelling is in the capital letter product ID, but here is in these small letters. So this also matches with each other, even if eventually if we have different spellings. For example, here you can see the product name is it written in the proper format, and if I write here the column name in capital letters, the join will still work. The case sensitive issue in Power Query comes between the titles when we apply the logic of appending the data. So when we do the appending, we need the case sensitive. We need to take care of case sensitive headers of the table. But when we are joining two different kinds of tables, the case sensitive is not much matter of issue, as I have demonstrated you already. Okay, so the fourth kind of a join, which is called anti-join. So let's perform that. So I will go to get data. I will click on combine queries, and then I will click on merge. First, I will select the table 1 here, then again table 2, identifying the common column. One more thing I want to tell you, which is when you are joining two tables, this is not a rule that you primarily go with one common column. You can select more than two columns as well as a sequence, and on the back end, this will be working as concatenate. So this is generating a new key at the back end. And these two columns, for example, product ID and product name, has been joined together as a concatenate concept. And then it will search out for the transaction which are matching with each table as well. So either you can go by selecting a different kind of a single selection or a multiple column selection between the tables. But for now, in this current example, we are going with the common column and a single column matching, which is called the product ID. And now we will be applying the inner join. So inner join only gives an output whose rows are matching with each other. So let's press OK, and the interface of the Power Query will come. And here we need to expand the table 2. So I will expand the table 2 here. And simply I will click on close and load. So my all the data will fetch in the Excel spreadsheet as an output from the Power Query. And you can see that in the anti-join, you will only get the output which all those rows which are matching from left table and the right table.